Hi guys, so this is where we left off last time with the Codeacademy. Please visit the Codeacademy. Let me just Codeacademy HTML on their web, codeacademy.com/learn/learn-html. They have multiple courses on HTML, so take the very basic one. Okay, so you can reset your progress, but if you reset your progress, you will have to start all over again, or you can resume. So resuming your progress will take you where we left off last time. So this is where we left off last time. We just added an unordered list. Make sure that you use a small letters here, otherwise it won't work on this editor. And then add the unordered list items. So here we're gonna add list item and close the list item. Okay, how many list items? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna just take this and copy that 3 more times, and then just take the text and feed it in between the opening and the closing tags. Right. And then run the editor, and you can see that you have an unordered list over here. Then let's move next. Then probably next is the ordered list. So the ordered list, as explained earlier, it's created with the tags OL. Let's take a look at the instructions. Under the heading that says countries with large bear population, here, countries with large brown bear population, under this, guys, let's add an ordered list, right? So let's go ahead and add an ordered list, and don't forget to close it, guys, and run the system. Then create these list items. It's the same as the list items for the unordered list. It's li, and please close it, guys. So just write the pair together and add 2 more, because they need us to add 3 different countries. Over here, copy and paste the countries and hit run. And this will be it for the ordered list. Proceed to next. Images are very important, so we're going to add an image using the img tag, and we're going to add the source to that image as explained in the previous videos. So over here under media, go all the way down under media somewhere. Where is media? It's the last one. Yeah, over here, guys, media. So under media, guys, you need to add an image and give it the source. So we're going to add img and src, and in between 2 quotes we're going to add this link where this image is stored, and then we're going to close it. And this is how you add an image, and successfully. You don't need to close it. Let's take a look. Here's the image, because if you take this link, guys, on the web and try to see where it takes you to this image. So it is saved somewhere on the web. So basically this is how you add an image. Let's add an alternate text for the image. Now we're going to have to add an image and an alternate text, and I explained this in the previous video. So add an alternate attribute to the image that you just created that includes a description. Make sure the description accurately describes the image. It's very important. So let's see what I can do. Over here after the source, I am going to add alt and say a brown bear face in green natural habitat. or in a green forest. Well, I'm not sure what is that around, but in a green natural habitat. So this will be an alternate text, suitable one, I think. Can explain what the image is for vision impaired individuals and the machine as well. So now we are going to create a video. A video you also create with a video tag, but it has a closing tag, guys. All right. So let's create this video. And the video is stored somewhere on the web, just exactly like this image. If you take the link and look it up on the web, this is what you're getting. You're getting this video. All right. So let's embed this video under the image that we just created at the very end here under media. So let's start with a new line and add video. All right, and please make sure that you also close this one. This one is tricky. And then within the starting tag you can add the different elements or attributes. The first attribute, as you can see here in the material, is the source. So you're going to add the source of the video. So let's add the source of the video. src is equal to this. After the source, you can just take a space, just one space, and add. Do we have to add something else? Okay, so they just want us to add the source for now. And then second, we need to add the width. And here, the width attribute, same thing. You add width and equal to, and in between quotes you add 320. And then they want us also to add height as well, because as you can see now the video is kind of in its default, so you might want to customize the height also to 240 as asked. And then add controls also. We haven't add controls. Yeah. So we need to add controls in this here. Make sure that you include controls, so we can just add here controls, the word controls. So let's take it all the way here, controls. So you need to add controls over here. And now you can see that all is good. And controls are these guys, that play and pause and all that. In between the opening and closing video tags, add something, a phrase like video not supported. This means if the video is facing any difficulty or is not supported by the browser, then I'm sorry, what happened here? What did I do? Here's in between. Wait a minute. I needed to copy that. Copy this. So this is the video, this is the closing here in between, and you just add video not supported. And run it. And now we can move to next. This is a review of all what we've done. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create the structure and the content of the web page. It is one of the first programming languages digital marketers have to learn. These HTML elements are nested inside other elements, and each element or HTML tag is written in pairs, an opening and the closing, most of them, except some exceptions like image or break. We learned a little bit about the structure, head and body. We learned also about a little bit about the heading and the paragraphs. We learned a little bit about different colors in the previous videos and emphasize strong and so forth, break. We learned also about ordered list, unordered lists, about images and videos over here. So you should be very happy that before you started this training session or training week, you didn't know probably most of this, and now I hope you feel a little bit more at ease and more comfortable, at least looking at this and knowing this is an image, this is an unordered list, this is an ordered list, this is a break, this is actually an HTML language, and so forth. So guys, once you are done, I'll skip this, and this is for starting a pro, HTML Pro. You can try it for free. but for us this will be it. How could I get out? I can't opt out unless I go to the next session. Some of my students last year in fact went to the next session, but for you guys you don't need to do so. So I think I'm gonna go to my home and to check if I have any achievement here. So there's a quiz here for introduction to HTML. It will be nice to take it. They have a new interface, I think. So this week we worked here at these days, and I have 16% through to the learning in HTML. You can guys proceed with the next courses, but 16% is sufficient for you right now as a digital marketer, and this will be it for now. Well, how about you take the quiz also? It will be nice to yeah, you can try it for free if you want, but then they're gonna ask you for the credit card, so please forget about it for now. This is why I just would like you to feel comfortable using HTML and take advantage of the free software or the free part of Codeacademy. Thank you so much guys, and I will see you on Tuesday. Yes, on Tuesday, and we're gonna start with search engine optimization. We're not gonna do any coding next Tuesday. See you then guys.